My fellow Jamaicans, especially the youth, the farmers, the dreamers, and the builders, listen well. For too long, others have told our story. Others have financed our progress. Others have decided our fate. But a new generation has arrived, your generation, and with it comes a new question that we must now answer for ourselves. Will we build true independence, or will we modernize dependency? Look around you. We have fertile land, brilliant minds, creative hands, and the spirit of a people who have survived every storm. We are not short of talent. We are not short of ideas. What we lack, and what we must now claim, is the belief that Jamaica can fund Jamaica, feed Jamaica, and build Jamaica. Yes, help will come from abroad. Yes, partnerships will continue. But our future cannot be built on money that comes with conditions, control, or quiet expectations. Our independence must be more than symbolic. It must be economic. To the farmers, you are not small. You are nation builders. Plant with purpose. Demand support. Use technology. Feed the island and feed your family with dignity and profit. To the youth, agriculture is not backwards. It is business. It is innovation. It is wealth. Step forward. Own land. Start companies. Embrace climate-smart farming, agri-tech, hydroponics, and processing. The next generation of millionaires can come from the soil of Jamaica. To the nation, let us keep foreign partners as supporters, not saviors. Let us take what helps and reject what weakens. Let us stand on our own feet with our heads high, knowing we are capable of greatness. Because independence is not a gift. It is not a holiday. It is not a speech in a stadium. Independence is ownership. Independence is production. Independence is control of our resources and our future. The time has come. No more waiting. No more dependency. No more excuses. Rise in your own strength, Jamaica. Build with your own hands. Claim your own future. Because we are not destined to be beggars of progress. We are destined to be authors of our own prosperity.